Behind me is a 5-star luxury hotel on the Las Vegas Strip that not many people know about. I booked a room here. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Let's head inside. Welcome to the Four Seasons Hotel Las Vegas. For those who don't know, the Four Seasons is a luxury hotel located on top of Mandalay Bay. It occupies floors 35 to 39. And Greta and I have also not stayed here before, so we've been excited to check it out. Before we talk more about what the Four Seasons is and what it has to offer and everything like that, let's show you the room here. We booked a standard room here, so we'll show you what it's all about. So this room cost me $500 for the night. Pretty expensive, but honestly, as far as standard rooms are concerned, this is among the best of the best. We can see that clearly after being in it for 5 minutes. There are two things that are a bit weird though. Number one weird thing, the waters look like this. They look like little milk cartons, you know. Obviously not a big deal, just being funny. Number two weird thing, and more importantly, the shower is very small. I'm not that big, Greta's not that big. Trust me, only one of us is fitting in there. So besides that, room is top shelf. The room definitely has a lot of little nice touches. You have a few Bose speakers, you have some nice magazines, and Greta discovered something pretty cool that we haven't seen elsewhere. There is a cabinet with a lock, and if you open the cabinet, there's a mini fridge and then the little snack bar. And I guess the purpose of locking it is if you have children, you can lock it so they can't mess with any of that stuff, whether it's the alcohol or the expensive snacks and stuff. Or similarly, if you have drunk friends or a drunk spouse, you can lock them out and then hide the key so they can't, you know, get drunk elsewhere and then access that later on in the night and maybe waste some money and stuff like that. I think that's the purpose of it. And additionally, there's a safe. But yeah, a lot of nice little touches, very nice room. I do think this is funny though. I found this right next to the telephone here at the table. It says, "We trust you'll enjoy the in-room amenities during your stay. Should you choose to take any home, the respective charges will be added to your bill." And then there's a list of the charges. Bose speaker $300, charging pad $65, sound machine $100. I've never seen anything like this. It's kind of interesting.
I wonder if that keeps people from bringing these things home, or if it makes people want to bring them home because they kind of have a price, so it's like they're buying it, they're like whatever. But I'm guessing they probably made the prices so like ridiculously high so it's like not really worth it, you know.
We are outside. That's Mandalay Bay. Here's the Four Seasons entrance. Let's walk around. This is the entrance. We have check-in over here. And a little lounge area. Places to do work and stuff, plug in your devices.
Meeting rooms up there.
Oh yeah, meeting rooms up here. Look how pretty this is.
With all the fancy art.
Yeah. So over here is the veranda, which is their restaurant. It is not open currently. Let's take a little gander at the restaurant here. Wow, look at this. Mandalay Bay right there. Oh, look at the waterfall. You see the waterfall? That's nice. over here, hot tub.
Hot tub.
I knew you were gonna do that. 4 seasons, Greta. What's this? This says it's the palm room.
This is another like kind of like meeting room, like conference room type
Okay.
thing. Store,
Essential
shop,
store.
yeah.
Let's pop in. Why not? Everything 4 seasons branded. Pretty much. This is the med spa. I think that's where you get like IV drips and stuff like that. Yeah. This is the actual spa right here. Looks nice. So do you guys have like saunas and things like that, and pools and cold plunges and?
Unfortunately, we're still a treatment-based facility.
Oh, okay.
We do have a utility steam room in the men's and women's area. As
Oh, cool.
Relaxation lounge.
Or not? Alright, let's pop in real quick. Equipment.
You want some fancy water?
It's basically empty,
Yeah.
right? And then we got more over here, the weights and stuff. All right, we just got back from touring the entire property here at 4 Seasons, except for the meeting rooms. They have meeting rooms here, but everything else we toured. And yeah, Greta, what'd you think? Thoughts on 4 Seasons tour?
I loved how the pool is over here is really reserved. It was pretty quiet. Maybe it was also the time of the day. We went around 5 p.m. and it closes at 6.
true.
But it was nice and quiet. And I love how the 4 Seasons guests get access to that, but they can also get access to the Mandalay Bay beach area. You know, but the Mandalay people can't come here. So it still remains nice and quiet, you know?
Any negative thoughts? Negatives?
I don't think so.
Also, we discovered that you can actually take the elevator here at 4 Seasons to the casino floor of Mandalay Bay. That's one of the big perks of staying here. You get exclusive, like Greta said, you get exclusive pool here, and you know, it's quiet and stuff like that, yet you have direct access to Mandalay Bay and everything Mandalay Bay has to offer.
We're going to strip steak at the Mandalay Bay because the restaurant here is actually closed on Monday and Tuesday, I think.
It's been a while since I've had a nice steak, so.
Wait, has it?
Yep, it has. It's been a minute. All right, we walked through the Mandalay Bay Casino. We made it to the food area section of Mandalay Bay. A lot of restaurants here. There's also the Michelob Ultra Events Center. I saw a fight there once. Have you ever been there?
No,
No, you
never.
never there? Oh.
Never.
Yeah, I saw a boxing match a couple years ago. That was pretty interesting. Very nice. Thank you.
Okay, thank
All
you
right,
so much.
thank you. Yeah, that was pretty interesting. I was told not to film walking into the restaurant. I could only film at my table. Out of all the restaurants we've been to in my whole life, no one's ever told me that before, but I don't know. So instead of bread, our waiter brought us these fries with 3 different sauces. Pretty unique, pretty interesting, right?
Yeah, and 3 different seasonings. There's like seasoning on the fries. Honestly, I don't remember what though, because my brain stopped functioning when he started talking.
So for dinner, I'm taking the filet mignon. Greta's having some lamb chops. We also ordered some mushrooms to split and a Caesar salad to start. We're splitting that as well. Prices here are so expensive though, so hopefully this place really lives up to the price. Really expensive.
Good. Very, very good. That is good. Really good. I think it is worth $97 or whatever that is. 93.
Really?
Yeah, I think it is.
All right, dinner was good. I enjoyed it. What'd you think? You liked
I
it?
thought it was really good, but I don't know. That whole restaurant is really expensive.
Yeah, it cost $2.85, including the tip for the two of us. And we didn't really get much. We just each got an entree, 2 sides, and that was pretty much it. But someone did recognize us working for the restaurant, and we got free dessert. And that was the highlight of the meal, in my opinion. What was it called again?
It was homemade beignets.
Yeah.
And it has been on the menu for over 20 years, right?
They said 18 years. It was on the menu for 18.
Yeah, so...
That was the highlight of the meal.
was
Like
really, really
the rest
good.
of the dinner was really good, of course, but that was amazing. Basically, they had like 3 pudding type, dipping type things to dip
Sauces?
the beignets, the sauces to dip the beignets in. Oh
Yeah.
my god, it was so good.
Really, really good.
So good. Definitely recommend it. It's been on the menu the entire time that restaurant has been here. So yeah, go to. That's my recommendation. Beignet at Strip Steak. Man, it's been so long since we've been on the strip and made a video. It was crazy just like driving past all the new things on the strip, taking down the Tropicana. There's a couple buildings on that side that were demolished, like that old Mexican restaurant right near the escalators. It's been a while. So right over here is Ocean Prime. This whole area is pretty new, but Ocean Prime's right here. Great restaurant, we've been there a few times. But this, right here, the Arte Museum, that's where we're going right now. It's an art experience exhibit kind of thing, so we're gonna check it out.
Cool. You ready to start from?
Thank you.
It's like a new futuristic type museum that's like interactive, and I don't know how else to explain it. We'll find out.
What do we have here? This is crazy. There's no one else here besides Greta and I. Oh, I lied. There's people.
I wish there were chairs. This is pretty relaxing.
The only problem with exhibits like this one is the fact that there's so many mirrors, and I don't know, like it can get dangerous, I feel like, if you're not careful. This looks really cool on camera, not gonna lie. So this section right here is pretty interesting. You basically color in different animals here. See, this one's a fox, and then you scan it into their system, and then it'll play on the big screen here. Your little colored fox drawing will trot around and stuff.
I'm gonna do really weird colors, so when it's on the screen, we'll definitely know it's mine. My fox.
No way. Oh, it just popped up right there. That's funny. That thing is extremely random, but honestly pretty impressive. Whoa! Next up is this. Arte Museum was honestly a lot of fun. The best part was probably the fact that there was like nobody there, so we really got to enjoy it. And also that whole area is newish, right in between Aria and Cosmo, and I gotta tell you, they did a great job on it. It looks beautiful. It really adds a lot to that area. They have a really, nice valet section, and it's really convenient. They did a great job. Check it out when you're here. What
Sleep time.
do we have here, young lady?
It's sleep time.
All right, guys, you heard the lady. It's sleep time. Great day at Four Seasons, but we'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Bye.
And good morning. Let's wrap things up here. Let's talk about how it was sleeping here, staying here, and what we think about this hotel. So ultimately, this place is kind of like a Nobu. Nobu is to Caesar's Palace as Four Seasons is to Mandalay Bay. They're both really luxury hotels located inside of major hotels, and they both offer the same kind of thing. They offer a kind of getaway from the craziness, the chaos, and the overwhelming amount of people everywhere in these big hotel casinos. To me, the only negatives I would say are the prices, obviously, is one, and then Greta was mentioning last night she was hearing the planes, flying by because we're kind of close to the airport here, but that didn't bother me. I sleep through anything. But yeah, the bed was super comfortable. I think for the price, I think it's worth it, And the other cool thing too is, you go right downstairs from the elevator, and on your way to the lobby, there's the spa, which isn't too overwhelmed with bookings and stuff, which is nice. And right next to the spa, they have a med spa. For certain people, that could be very valuable. But overall, just a chill hotel, no casino. But you go downstairs, you have a secret entrance to the Mandalay Bay Casino, and you're in the middle of everything. So I really enjoy this place. It's right up my alley, kind of like more chill. It's a getaway type place. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you learned something. And yeah, we had a good time. All right, Greta, let's go home.
Bye. Love you guys.